And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance into Bitmart. So for those people who do not know Binance and Bitmart, basically both of them is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And you guys can also transfer crypto from Binance into Bitmart or from Bitmart to Binance. But this video is on how you guys can transfer from Binance to Bitmart. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First step is you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. After you come to Binance.com and log in into your account, you want to click on Redsis Wallet. Once you click on Wallet, you want to go on Redsis Overview. Once you go on Overview, basically what do is you want to go on where it says withdraw over here. So you want to click on withdraw. Once you come on withdraw, you want to choose the coin which you want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw Bitcoin right now. In another one, I want to transfer Bitcoin right now. So what I can do is I can go on this Bitmart. So basically for coming over here, you want to go to bitmart.com and log in into your account. After you go to bitmart.com and log in into your account, you want to click on this email looking icon over here. And after you click on the email looking icon, you want to go on this deposit section. Once you go on the deposit section, basically it's going to take you to the deposit page of Bitmart. Now basically once you're over here, basically you want to go to the coin which you are transferring. So since we are transferring Bitcoin from Binance, we got to go to Bitcoin, alright? Now when you're transferring Bitcoin, if you go to wrong, crypto over here, let's say I go to Ethereum and I click on deposit, it's going to give me the wallet address of Ethereum. And if I paste the wallet address of Ethereum when I'm transferring Bitcoin, then basically my Bitcoin will be lost. So just keep that in mind when you're transferring the crypto. You want to go to the crypto wallet of which you are transferring. So for me, I'm transferring Bitcoin. So I'm going to go to deposit section of Bitcoin. Now once I go to the deposit section of Bitcoin, it's going to give me the, address over here. Now I can copy this wallet address. After I copy the wallet address, I'm going to paste it over here. After I paste it, it's going to choose the, network itself. But if it doesn't, chooses the network itself, you can always, choose it for yourself as well. The network, you want to enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 45 Bitcoin. It's going to be around like this much over here. So I can click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, this much Bitcoin will be transferred into my Bitmart account. In another way, it will be transferred to my Bitcoin's wallet address on Bitmart. It's going to be stored in this wallet address. Alright, and once it's over here, I can trade it or do anything I want of the Bitcoin in my Bitmart or any crypto you transfer. Alright.